I would like to welcome you all on the fifth lecture of Marketing, Chapter 2. Today, we were going to discuss micro-environmental factor. Micro-environmental environment includes or indicates the factor and the forces in the immediate area of operation of the firm, which affect the marketing manager ability to serve the customer. It indicates both internal as well as external forces. Internal forces includes the company's top management and its various departments like purchasing department, research and development department, production department, finance department, personal department, etc. All departments within an organization have the potential to positively or negatively impact firm's objective. These factors are generally under control of the firm as these have to coordinate with each other. But external factors cannot be governed by the firm. External microenvironment includes the suppliers, marketing intermediaries, competitors, customers, and general public. Now we will going to discuss each and every external factors one by one. Our first factor is supplier. The supplier comprises all the business firms or individual who provide the raw material, components and semi-finished goods to be used in production or event sell finished products of the organization. A firm depends on numerous suppliers either in capacity of the buyer of the input or uh, or a producer to wholesaler and retailer. The buyer and supplier relationship is one of the mutual economic independence as both parties rely on another for their commercial well being. Although both parties are seeking stability and security from their relationship, factors in the supply environment are subject to change. Now, our next factor is marketing intermediaries. Marketing intermediaries are the independent individual or the organization that directly help in the free flow of goods and services between marketing organization and the customer. Generally, uh, these are two types, namely merchant and agent. Merchant middleman can be wholesaler or a retailer. Agent middleman are an important part of the distribution network and render important service in different capacity. Now, the next type of external factor is customer. The customer may be individual or household, an organization that purchase a product for use in the production of the other product, an organization that purchase a product for resale at a profit. The customer factors of marketing environment has great influence on the marketing decision. Marketing specialists or marketers develop and market messages to appeal the company's individual customer need. Target market may be grouped as follows: consumer market, industries market, reseller market, government and other non-profit market. Our next type of factor is competitors. Competitors are the rival business firm in the efforts to satisfy the market and the consumer demand. Since these are competing with each other, the marketing decision of one firm not only influence customers' response in the marketplace but also affect the marketing strategies of other competitors. So, marketers have to continuously monitor the rivals for marketing activity, their products, distribution channel, price and promotion efforts to design its marketing strategy. They must also gain strategic advantage by positioning their product and services strongly against those of their competitors in the middle of the consumer. Our next type of factor is public. The company's microenvironment also include various public, that is group of people. A public means any group that has an actual or potential interest in or impact of the company's ability to achieve its objective. A public can contribute to the marketing program through positive words of mouth or or may hinder marketing activities through negative words of mouth. There are different types of public. First type of public is financial public, the group of influence the company's ability to obtain funds. For an example, major financial publics are bank, investor houses, etc. Our next type of public is media public. They consist of those mechanism sorry mechanism or devices that carry news, features, and editors options, etc. Sorry. The next type of public is government public. Management must take government development into the account. Marketer must often consult the company's lawyers on issue of the product. The next type of public is citizen action public. A company's marketing decision may be questioned by the consumer organization, environmental group, minority group, or others. The next one is local public. Every company has local public, such as neighborhoods, residents, and the community organization. The next is general public. A company need to be concerned about the general public's attitude towards the product and the activity. The last one is internal public. A company's internal public include the workers, managers, and the board of directors. With the help of this video, you have to attempt your assignment questions. Thank you so much.